Okay guys, it's been a while. I'm just going to be funding this account, so I just wanted you to see me funding it with like $50 before I will get to do a trade. So you can see $50 is now showing in the account. Let me refresh it so that you get to see. Now I funded the account with $50, so I'm going to be waiting for signals to come up, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to close all this browser. I don't need them, so I'm going to close all of them. So I'm going to be pausing, and right now you can see I don't have any of my browser open. So I'm trying to automate my system and also automate my phone. So I'm going to be waiting for signal. When the signal is up, I'm going to come back and I'm going to press play. All right, so oh, okay, I need to edit some things, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay,
Volatility 25x index.
I just received a signal on that volatility right now, so I'm going to be placing a trade immediately opens right now. It's taking a bit because I was actually doing some other stuff. So okay, can I still enter? I've made my entry anyway, so let's go and check it out. All right, that's the first trade, right? I need you guys to see, I'm going to explain later what happened so that you get to understand why you were hearing another voice. I wanted to be able to catch every available signal. Now, I've just been able to make $6.5 under how many minutes? So this is, I'm still pretty much trying to configure the mobile version so that it will be a lot easier when signals are available. I can get to know. Now, I don't need to have this guy open. I can close it. But just so that I can keep track of how many number of trades I've done, this is just one. Let's see, we'll try and get another signal. When another signal comes up, we'll try and do that. This one is 25-1x. So let's see if I have to wait. I'll pause, and once I get another signal, I will record. Okay.
Volatility 10x index.
That's a volatility 10x with signal coming up, and I've just made my entry, right? So let's go and check it out. One thing you need to understand that it's not all the time your trade is going to be very fast like this one. There are sometimes trades may go into losses. So losing is part of the whole drill. I need you to understand it's not a perfect system. So I've made another 12%. So in together I've made like 24%. Now I need you to see this trade. You can see that I have only one tab open. I'm going to close that same tab. Okay, I'm going to wait for one more just to complete the session. One more signal, and then we'll call it. Let's see if any other one will come up. Okay, I don't think there will be anyone coming up right now. So I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. Now, if you're wondering, is this signal I'm trading? You can see the signal. These are my signals. So it's the signal. You can see these are signals I've traded. I've traded 25-1x and I've traded 10-1x. So these are signals that comes and I get to trade them. So I'm back here. Okay, I'm going to pause when I get another signal, and then we're going to, okay, let's just wait for like 20 seconds if we get another signal. So hold on and wait with me to see how the signal comes in and see if I get to do anything. All I need to do is just press enter. Okay, let's see if we will receive any signal. All right. Signal is not coming up. After 5, 6, 7 seconds, if I don't get any signal, it means it's not going to come up. So I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. Okay, that is
Volatility 75x index.
I don't need to announce it. You can hear it yourself. Okay, so I'm waiting for this guy to load up, show me, and I've entered. All right, this will be my last trade here, right? In this video, this will be my last trade. Now, this one may not, okay, you get to see what I'm saying about the trade right now. So this one may not pull through almost immediately, so I have to monitor it for 50 seconds. So I still have 25 seconds. I have 25 seconds to monitor. So don't be afraid of losing. You're not going to be right all the time. You're not going to be right all the time. Not at all. You're not going to be right all the time. It's not all the time you're going to be right. There are some they're going to take your time. For me to receive this
Volatility 75x index.
I'm not pressing anything. I'm just going to go back to the trade. You can see my trade has pulled through. I'm not entering the trade again. Why? It has already pulled through. Now you can see that my browsers are opening by themselves, and you can see the trade it has pulled through before my monitoring time, right? But it took a while. Now if it didn't pull through before 50 seconds, I'm just gonna close it. Now I need you to understand, I started trading like a robot. I just want to trade like a robot for a while. I don't want to look at any other thing. I just want to maximize my profit. So right now I've been able to trade. This is another trade, $6.88. So now I have like 69.7 something dollars, right? Let's go and see the trades that I did. And probably I will also show you when I loaded the account. You can see losses on my account. Yeah, because I was running some tests, serious tests, and I do my test with real money. So don't look at it. I do real test with real money. Why? Because people are going to be using my stuff to trade real money, not demo money. Yes, I can use demo money. It has a demo feeling, but when you use real money, you get to understand. So these are real. These are trades taken today. Just all this one at the top. This one with $50. You can see all the three of them were taken from the signal, right? So this is how the signal comes. You get to receive the signal on your phone like this, and you get to place trade when they come. You get to place trades when they show up. So guys, probably I should show you this statement, right? You saw when I loaded the $50, right? Okay, you can see the deposits. You can see the deposits here, and you can see the number of trades we've done. You can see they were all in profit. So we grow the $50 to $69, about $20 profits. That's cool. Close for the day. Do another one another day. Don't stress yourself. $20 is like 9,000 now. So you need to understand it's slow, steady, and you will get there. So God bless you. See you in another video. You can see, hey, I'm trying to automate it. It's not yet where I want it, but when I'm done with my automation, I'm going to be able to rest so much. God bless you. See you in another video. Guess what? While I stopped the video, I received another signal, which was 101x. So I just took the trade. This is the trade, and I realized if I do one more trade, that means I've made 50%. So I just said, let me complete the trading session. So in together, I've done 4 trades, right? 4 trades. So I've just made $26. That's what it means. I've just made $26. Hey, anybody can do this. God bless you. See you in another video.